all this pipe was connecting hot and cold in that corner that's coming from the kitchen across with all that messy pipe work and into that section there. So out with mess, and we're going to replace that with all new copper pipes for the shower mixer, and then it's going to go along and up for the toilet, and the waste pipe for the toilet will go there, and then for the basin, hot and cold, and then reconnect towards the boiler. One is hot, one is cold. Same as on that side there, we have hot and cold marked up on the wall that leads down towards the kitchen underneath. So here is all new pipe work done. We have extended from kitchen cold that will lead to the boiler and a hot back, and here's the header pipes for the shower mixer, and then the running through, toilet pipe teed off, and then basin pipes teed off, and then finally pipes connected to underfloor pipes that lead toward boiler. So this is following morning. Yesterday we have taken the old soil pipe out from that position and put new one there, run through and reconnect on outside on the soil stack. We have redone all the plumbing underneath that was a bit of Mickey Mouse with all push fit fittings on copper. It's done on cheap, so we done all new copper pipe going from downstairs, from the kitchen supply down there. It's running out here. You see, it's all done in copper, proper old fashioned. We got hot and cold running up onto the shower plate in the wall there. So that's all set with a expanding foam. Reason why I use expanding foam on the pipes is multiple. One, it protects the pipe from the sharp edges of the bricks. So when there's a thermal movement on the pipe always expands and shrinks. It should never touch the brick. So if your chase is big enough, you run a pipe inside of the chase so it doesn't touch the brick. You put expanding foam around it, that pipe is protected. The other reason is you can't put any cement-based product directly on the copper. It will eat through it. So expanding foam protects pipe from cement, so you don't have to use any lagging on it. And the third reason is it just fix it together. That's all. It's all solid now. That can't move. That pipe, the basin pipes, they're all solid now. So we got hot and cold for shower, toilet goes there, cold feed, and these two pipes are hot and cold for basin. We have cold hole for the waste, and also in here the towel rail position is up high on the wall here. It used to be above the bath. Previous plumber, he ran the pipes up the wall and then up the floor and then in the wall, so the pipes have been going like that with loads of plastic push fit knuckles. So that's all now being diverted into the wall and fixed in a position for towel rail. It's a 500 wide towel rail, so it's a 450 spread between the pipes, and towel rail goes on that wall up there. So today, what we're doing today, we're going to block up that hole there, inside and out, brick it up. Need to run shower waste through, already drilled the joist. Need to core the wall outside, run the pipe through into the hopper on the outside, put that floorboard down, patch in all the walls with bonding, flatten them all down, ready for tiling, scrape off all this old adhesive off, patch in these holes as well. So once that is all squared up for tiling, also need run one chase down the wall there and patch it in. Need to put a cable for mirror cabinet that's going to go above the basin. So basin goes there, mirror cabinet goes here with power supply to it for a shaver point and light around the mirror. The other thing I'm planning to do today is to set the tray in. Tray is a massive for a tray, for a small bathroom, shower room. That's 1800. The tray is 1800. So it's 1800 by 700. It will come to this line here, on the floorboard here, where this paint is as well. It will come to that line. That's all gonna be shower tray. So that's planned for today. It's gonna be another busy day. And yeah, I'll make another little video clip later on. Right, now we're outside. It's our bathroom window. Right, just above the tray. That's where it's coming out. And new pipe coming in. This is the arrangement we done yesterday. Had a cast iron pipe coming in through there, so that's going to get blocked up. We got adjustable angle, rubber collar, new plastic pipe going all the way in, so that needs to be blocked up. We need to put a clip on here, and the basin waste is going to come from here and get bossed in onto the pipe there, and the shower. It's going to go straight into the hopper. Might need to lower the hopper down a little bit. We got brick to block up there, brick to block up there, couple bricks to block up there. So hopefully this boxy rain is going to stop as well in a minute. Just one little point to make. We have made a notch. We've made a notch here on this joist. Now, before we did that, we have checked with structural engineer, because our joisting is 7¼ inches. With the notch, it's been left full 5 inches, which on this fan, that is the fan itself, it's just 6 foot. The joisting of 5 inches are more than adequate. So we got rest of the joist on 7 inches. That's a drill 7 inches. That's a drill 7 inches, and that's notched into the 5. It's more than adequate for this size room. Just to clear that, I don't want anyone stressing out how we made a big notch on the top of the joist. So that's all been checked. Once all the mess has been removed from the walls, and they're all now clean, all these walls here that we're gonna put tiles on, I've decided to run and change the window, because we were down to change the windows as well, so might as well do this now before we advance with the bathroom too far. And also we're changing window in the bedroom next to it. Once the shower tray is installed on a sand cement mix, we proceeded with tiling, and then second fix rest of the bathroom, including the floor with LVT.